transform your Etsy store revenue now with this highly untapped digital product, ranking up 10 sales in the last 24 hours and having minimal competition. The time to act is now. In today's game-changing video, I'll unveil how to use ChatGPT and a free image generation platform to craft this lucrative digital product. So if you're serious about making money online, keep watching as I unveil your path to success. This digital product is a simple traveling junk journal paper featuring a floral themed design that showcases popular traveling destinations. Now you might be wondering, why is this design in high demand, leading to substantial earning for this store? It's simply because this digital product combines the three most demanding design elements on Etsy, which is floral design, traveling design, and junk journal paper. And sellers in any of this category can generate revenue quickly by creating design that resonate with these three categories. Now, if I jump into looking at how this product is performing, I can see that this digital product has already generated 10 sales in the last 24 hours, and with the reviews confirming that people are craving for such designs. But before I jump into generating this design using AI, it's crucial to ensure that it's the right time to sell this product. And to confirm this, I changed the sort by to recent reviews, and now I can see that this product was purchased recently, which indicates the opportune moment to sell. Now, to bring the design to life, I started by using ChatGPT to generate the prompt. First, I described one of the product images of my competitor, which I will use to generate more prompts in ChatGPT. To do this, I asked ChatGPT to provide more junk journal paper image generation prompt ideas from this prompt I created earlier. Then I instructed it on how I wanted the prompt to look like. And as always, ChatGPT lived up to expectation. Now you can see each prompt started by describing the customization of the prompt, subject, then ends with the style of the prompt. And with arrangement like this, it ensures high quality image generation every time. The next thing is to generate one of these in an image generation platform. And for a simple design like this, a mid-journey free alternative like Canva AI can produce an excellent job. But wait, if you want to start this similar business, I have added over 80 prompts for junk journal paper, and it will be available for all my Patreon supporters. Link will be in the description. Now back to the design. I started by setting the canvas size to F4 because the design is in that format. And in the Canva app section, I look for Magic Media, which happened to be the image generation AI. Then I pasted the prompt. The advantage of this AI is that it provides 500 tokens every month to generate AI images. And before I hit the generate button, I adjusted the aspect ratio from square to portrait, then proceeded to generate the prompt. Additionally, keep in mind that you can generate variations of any design by clicking on the three dots next to your preferred design, then selecting generate more like this to generate more variations. And once the design is aligned on your canvas, it can be exported as PNG or JPEG. And all I have to do is to repeat the same step for the rest of the prompt to get all the design results ready for sales. Now, here's a big tip on how to boost your product visibility by using the same tag as your competitors. And Allura, a paid tool, facilitates this process by providing access to competitors' tags. To do this, first copy the shop name and paste it in Allura. After this, check the product name you want to get the tags from and select it. Then scroll down to see all tags using the product. And just like that, you can copy and paste it in your product. And like I always say, consistent posting of quality product is key to success on Etsy. Thanks for choosing me as your guide. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Until next time.